Kyle.
Listen.
You gonna do your dance?
Do your dance, Kyle.
Woohoo! Yeah, you're a good dancer.
Garbage can dance. Woohoo! To the left, to the right.
Stomp your foot.
Spin around.
Careful.
Because then you got your garbage can helmet on.
Woohoo!
Music stop.
Don't get it stuck on your head.
Further and further.
Don't get it stuck.
That was a tough push, huh? Oh, it won't go. I'll try.
Mom, Uncle Paul has a big head.
What are you doing, Kyle?
Kyle, can you try and sit in the garbage can?
Just push. Oh, it rolls. Whoa! Cool! Whoa! Am I in your way? Oh, sorry. Here, like this, over here. There you go. You're all sweaty, Kyle.